Hello students, welcome to ACS Pathshala. Let's play with number today. Before moving forward, I have an activity for you. Can you tell me about which is bigger number, 5432 or 4999? Can you tell me about what's the secret is hidden inside the number 7305? And in the last, I have a surprise for you. Why does the number 121 look the same from both sides? Let's understand these concepts in the moving slides. So the first we learn about number sequence. What is the number sequence? Number sequence is a list of number arranged in a specific pattern. Can you see when we go 2 from 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. Can you tell me about the next number? Yes, it is 12. Why? Can we see the pattern here? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. By finding the pattern, we can easily tell about the next number in this sequence is 12. Same, we can tell about the tables of 2, tables of 3, all these are nothing but a number sequence. Same if we go from 100 to 90, 90 to 80, 80 to 70. So next number in this sequence is 60. Can we find the pattern? Yes, we can find the pattern. When we subtract 10 from 100, we get 90. Again, subtraction of 10, we get 80. Again, we get 70. And in the last, if we find the number, it's 60. So, find the rule, find the pattern. You can tell about many things in your real life also. There is always, you find a pattern. In maths, pattern is always there. Now, let's learn about ordering of numbers. Which way are we going? Can you see that this block of 5 and this block of 12? You can see that 12 block is much bigger than 5. Same as 19 block is bigger than 12. Same as 35 block is bigger than 19, and 42 block is bigger than 35. You can see the person like he's going up to the stairs. This, when we go from smallest and go to the biggest, when we going here 5 from 42, this order we call ascending order. In reverse, when we go from biggest to the smallest number, this we call descending order, like 42 to 35, 35 to 19, 19 to 12. So when we start from the smallest and go to the biggest, or from the biggest and go to the smallest, these we call ordering of numbers, ascending order and descending order. Now you can see the challenge here. 45, 9, 72 and 18. If I tell you to arrange these numbers in ascending order, we can arrange this as 9, 18, 45 and 72. Same if I ask you about arrange these numbers in descending order, you can arrange these like as 72, then 45, then 18, in the last 9. So in this you understand about ordering of numbers. Now you can easily tell which are descending numbers, which are ascending orders. Now let's move forward to the next slide. Now there is a very good concept about number line. We can learn to add and subtract by counting steps in number line. You can see that when we are moving to the right of number line, you can see the numbers are increasing. But when we moving left to the number line, you can see that numbers are decreasing. It means moving right means add and moving left means subtract. Same if I tell you about can we do the 3 plus 2 on the number line. Just you can see when we going from 0 to 1, this is one step. Same as 1 to 2, this is one step again. Same 2 to 3, this is one steps again. But when I ask about 3 plus 2, just start from 3 and move 2 steps forward. 1 step 4, 2 steps 5. So we get the answer 5. Same if we tell about subtraction. When 7 minus 3, How we get this into number line? Start from 7, back to the 3 steps back to the left side. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, we get the number 4. Now activity for you, just give me 8 plus 4 and 5 minus 2 in number line. Now let's move forward to the next concept, where now it's about the place value. It's about the secret about the number 7305. That what I asked in the starting of this session. You can say that the value of a digit depends on its place. Like in 7305, 5 is at unit place, or we can call it ones. So its value is 5. 0 is at tens place, 0's value is always a 0. 3 is at hundreds place, its value is 300. And 7 is at thousand place, its value is 7000. So when we add these all, 7000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 5, we get the number 7305. It's about all the numbers. If I can say that we have a number 6, 5, 2 and 3, you can say that 3 is at unit or ones place, 2 is at tens place, 5 is at hundred place, 6 is at thousand place. So its value is 6000, 5 value is 500, 2 value is 20 and 3 value is 3. So when we add all these, we get 6523. You can spot the difference here. If 5 is at unit place, we get the value of 5. If 5 is at 10 place, we get the value of 50. If 5 is at thousand place, we get the value of 5000. Now I have a question for you. Just tell me about 7, 2, 3, 4, all the place value of this digit. Next concept is digit magic. Here we play with digits. So can you see the number 4562? When we add the digits, in the last I told you about the place values, it all are the digits 4, 5, 6, 2. Let's add them. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 plus 2. 9 plus 6 is 15, and 15 plus 2. 15 and 2, we get the number 17. If I tell you, we can also add the digit of this 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. Same, when we add the digit, we have subtraction of the digits. Can we get the number 8321? We start the subtraction. 8 minus 3, we get 5. 5 minus 2, we get 3. In the last, 3 minus 1, we get 2. Same as last slide, we learn about the number 7305. If we add the digit of these number, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, plus 5, we get 15. Again we can add the digit of 15, 1 plus 5, we get the answer 6. So now we moving forward to our next concept. In last we can see the magic of numbers, where we learn about palindromics, palindromic numbers. Can you see that there is a number 121? Can you read is 121? When we read it forward, we read it 121. But when I tell you to read it backwards, also read at 121. Same if I tell you the number 99. Can you read it forward? It is 99. Can you read it backward? It is 99. Same as for 131. Same as for 4554. So all these numbers which reads the same forward and backward, we call them a palindrome. So is 1231 a palindrome? Can you see that? 1231. When we read it from backward, it is 1321. it's not the same, so it is not the palindromic number. So this is the magic of maths, where we get the concept about palindromic numbers. So this is the last slides, and in this session we learned about number sequence, ascending order and descending order, number line, how to add and subtract from number line, place value, secret behind the number, and in the last concept we learn about the palindromic numbers. So now you can answer the question which I asked you in the first slide, which is these, which is bigger number, or is the secret hidden inside 7305, and why does the 1 to 1 look the same from the both side? You can answer these questions now. And in the last, just want to say that numbers are not scary, they are fun when you understand their patterns. Now it's your turn. Create your own number sequence. Examples like 2, 4, 6. You can have any number sequence. Find a 4-digit palindromic number different from these examples, and share your answer in comment sections. For more such concepts, you can join ACS Pathshala.